I'm Keri, the president of Blue PMG, the founder of Kilty, and the lead for the project with iTechnolabs. Our project with iTechnolabs has been a complex project, a very high profile project, and something that has been extremely challenging, let's say, with deadlines. We have put so much on their plate, we have asked so much on them, and they have delivered every time. Words cannot express my happiness with the experience that I've been having. And I've been in this space for 15 years, developing different technology solutions, working in the different facets of the technology world. And it's one of your biggest challenges can be gelling with your team. And iTechnolabs, they make you feel right at home. It's as if you've been working with them forever. They are so great at being able to communicate with the team. So we have produced, to my experience, in time frames, we produce solid product that is going to make such a difference in the change for the founder of this company, and I'm so proud. As you can see, they come highly recommended by me, and I will continue working with the team and the group as long as they have me.